Good morning everyone. My name is Tejaswini. Me and my teammate Bhargav are presenting our final project, Weather Station. Weather Station is a device which reads weather-related data such as temperature, pressure, humidity, UV index, air quality from various sensors. It can be deployed at home or business. It basically keeps us informed about the environmental conditions. It would be useful to know this information while stepping out of the house, so we are equipped in scenarios such as high UV index, temperature or rain. Our project setup consists of a server and client using two blue Gecko boards. On the server side, we have interfaced three sensors: BME 280, this gives us the temperature, pressure and humidity; SGP 40, this sensor gives us the air quality; and SI 1153, this gives us the UV index. We are sending the temperature, humidity, air quality, UV index and pressure over Bluetooth radio. The demo part will be done by my teammate Bhargav.
Hi everyone, I am Bhargav. I would be demonstrating our product. So first of all, this is the server side and we have three sensors as Tejaswini mentioned, integrated. This is one of the dev kit which has one of the sensors which is SI1153, this one over here. And let's see, as you can see on the screen, it's already connected and displaying all the values like temperature, humidity, pressure, UV index and the air quality index. So if I reset it, it would start over. It would be connected as client is also powered on and it would display all the data over here. So first, like the first three data we are getting from the BME 280 sensor over here. So I will try to manipulate the data, like I will touch the sensor. Let's see if it changes the value. Yeah, so humidity changes from 26 to 41, 49. I guess for temperature, yeah, the temperature also increased a little bit. Yeah, so the next sensor is the SGP40. As you can see now, currently as it is showing 0 air quality index. This sensor takes some time to initialize as the algorithm we are using from the Sensoron takes like 150 to 200 raw values, and then according to the algorithm it manipulates the data. As the server is reset currently, recently, so we can see that currently it's 0, but I guess it would start showing some data. The next sensor is the SI1153 ambient light sensor. So we can demonstrate currently the UV index is 0 as no light has been passing through the sensor. If I put a light source over here like this way, so we can see the UV index turn to 1 and then more closer. Yeah, it goes to 2. So basically UV index is on the scale of 0 to 12, and the more the number, the more is the it is dangerous to go out and under the sun. As you can see, the air quality index has been stabilized around 70 to 80, which is under the good air quality index range. And now we will demonstrate using a sanitizer to increase the value. I'll just yeah, so as we can see, it increased from 80 to 120 and it can increase further. Yeah. Now my teammate Tejaswini will demonstrate the client part.
Now we see that the client is connected to the server and the indications are enabled. Now in order to bond with the server, I'm pressing PB1. By pressing PB0 on both server and client, we see that on both client and server it is bonded. We do not yet see all the temperature, humidity, pressure, UV index or air quality on the client. In order to see this, we have to enable the indications. And the enabling of indication is shown with LED 0. So right now the LED 0 is off, which means that the indications are off. It is turned on by pressing the PB0 and PB1 in the combination. So now we see that the indication turns on and the temperature, humidity, pressure, UV index values are seen. Now I will, and we see that the data on the server and client are the same. I will try to change one of the variants to see if the data on both server and client changes at the same time. I will modify the air quality index. Right now it is at 80 on both server and client. So now I see that the air quality is changing rapidly, and the same is also seen on the client side. And in order to disable the indication, we use the same combinations of the buttons. So now I see, now we see that the LED 0 goes off, which means that the indication is turned off. And also the client, we don't see any of the values. So this is the entire demonstration of our weather station. Thank you.